Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umindri ka sarkar jala bakmi ikatanan Food Civil Suppliers and Consumer Affairs ba Comingone Ymbon ha khasandri unailar arajar phosan ulapan heri ka Lama lairong Jongkari ha ka Jingrakhe ka skinai lo Jongkari India ha ka Jingalang ka blalong hambaranya lekai Jongkari Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukarwat Southwest Khasi Hills District Haka diga sngi la samru ekikus nam shiginang job haka March pass haka baga Modern Academy Higher Secondary School Rangmau kala job ekaran badingkong ka Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Maukarwat bat Rising Secondary School Swkh kala job ekaran ka Baar bat ka Balai kat baga mau thau pada Primary Health Center kala sha penkop buram kum ka Top Performing Primary Health Center Southwest Khasi Hills District hapo ka Mega Health Insurance Scheme and Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana.
We pay homage to the cadre from Meghalaya soil, Utirot Singh, Ukiangnangba, Otkan Sangma. We also honor the member of the Defense Paramilitary Police Force who have made great sacrifice to protect our territorial integrity and the rules of law. Occasions like this offer us a chance to reflect on the achievement of the past and renew our resolve for the future. In 2018, when the people of Meghalaya placed their trust in the MDA government, the state was faced with several challenges on social, economic, and environmental front. We made a commitment that our government will resolve each of these complex problems in a time-bound manner. In the last 7 years, we have prioritized development, service delivery and citizen empowerment. This year has marked a meaningful step forward in Meghalaya developmental journey as we continue to make steady progress toward our Vision 2032 goals of becoming a $16 billion economy. Anchored in the framework of Mission 10, the state has advanced a model of inclusive and sustainable growth by identifying 10 high-potential opportunity sectors to drive prosperity and committing to 10 welfare commitments that safeguard the well-being of every citizen. This alignment between economics, ambitions, and social opportunity is shaping future where progress reaches every corner of Meghalaya. Meghalaya continues to maintain peaceful and stable law and order environment, creating a conducive atmosphere for progress and cooperation. In a significant step forward, the implementation of MOU for border settlement with Assam has witnessed noteworthy advancement this year. Following the Chief Minister's level meeting held on the 2nd June 2025, construction of internal state boundary pillars have been completed in Hahim area and significant progress in other areas is being made. The government reaffirmed its commitment to upholding justice, security and transparency in our state. Over the past year, we have achieved remarkable milestones in the modernizing our criminal justice system to fully implement the 3 new criminal laws. The state government has issued various rules and notifications, including ensuring 100% capacity building of all involved in the criminal justice system. The adoption of cutting-edge technology like Swkh, EFIR, and CCTNS are enabling a more effective and citizen-centric police force. Our forensic capabilities have been strengthened with a mobile van in every district, including the recruitment of forensic crime scene experts, the creation of a full-fledged Directorate of Prosecution and adoption of initiatives for prosecution will also strengthen the conviction rate. As we move forward, we will expand forensic infrastructure, enhance cybercrime unit, and fully integrated with operable criminal justice system 2.0 to ensure Meghalaya remain at the forefront of progressive and tax-driven policing. The government has approved the shifting of the police reserve and allotted 50 acres of land in New Shillong for setting up a new reserve police. We remain deeply committed to inclusive development, especially in border regions where communities have long faced challenges of isolation and limited connectivity. The visit of the Honorable Union Finance Minister to Meghalaya has further strengthened the state efforts toward inclusive development in border region. During her visit to Swkh in East Kazil, she announced the inclusion of 92 border villages in Meghalaya under Vibrant Village Program, reaffirming the commitment to providing critical infrastructure, education, healthcare, and livelihood opportunities in this area. Water security forms the cornerstone of Meghalaya development's vision. Under Mission 10, the state has reaffirmed its commitment to ensuring every citizen benefit from reliable, safe, and inclusive public services. Among the 10 commitments outlined, universal access to tap water stands out as a major success. In just 5 years, Meghalaya has gone from fewer than 4,500 household connections to over 5.39 lakhs rural home, achieving 82.84% coverage under the Jal Jeevan mission as of June 2025.
Snaps Aim College, commanded by Captain Rosemary Carlingdo, showcasing the spirit of discipline, leadership, and service to the nation. Following them are the Nativity Scouts, led by Captain Wanshan Carlingdo, demonstrating teamwork and patriotism. Here comes Nativity Girls under the commandship of Captain Aikintilan Soshang, representing dedication, discipline, and service. Next is the Modern Academy School contingent, led by Captain Jaswal Sunlingdo, marching in unison to mark the pride of their institution. Next, we have the Mauranglang Presbyterian Secondary School, led by Captain Stevenson Nongrem, smarting to honor this day. Now approaching the base is the Jakrem Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, with Captain Silent Stars Aimle at the lead. Following them is the Carolyn Secondary School contingent, commanded by Captain Wan Lam Jingshai Lingdo. Here comes the Christian Principal Secondary School, led by Captain Wan Lam Jingkmen Snaitang. Next in line is the Maharam Government Higher Secondary School contingent under the Captain A1 Penchgan Nongkinri. Marching in next is the Swkh Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, commanded by Captain Anderson Ramsiet. We have the Rising Secondary School contingent, led by Captain Alfred Stevenson Shangpliang. Balang Maulangwir Girls Secondary School, commanded by Captain Akor Datingkai Lingdo. past, marching with pride, courage and enthusiasm is the Lingdo Wanyang Secondary School led by Captain Ymbon Lingdo.